Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com. Happy Veterans Day, November 11th, 2011. I want to talk to you about one of the higher time frame charts that we do use. Market opened up here at around 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. It gapped up by over 15 points, so with that we were looking for nothing but entries to the long side. We had a hook pattern set up, finally completed here at about 11:30, and then we had a follow-on hook pattern on a longer time frame chart that completed right there at about 10:45. And then we knew that being Veterans Day, there was going to be lower volume and higher volatility, being a holiday, the bond market being closed. So with that being said, no further trades after the 11:30 to 1:15 Eastern Standard Time no trade zone. We were looking for additional trades. In this case, we were price action up into the 1270 to 1272 area. Days of holidays and prior to holidays, you will generally see on lower volume, they will push up in a bullish direction. We never saw it. It was a really long, slow, watching paint dry type of afternoon. And so we started out flat there at 11:30 and watched for about 3 hours, just sideways motion. Highly recommend on holidays and days before holidays to take the afternoon off. And here's another one of our longer time frame charts. I just want to show you what we're going to talk about next, is how the market opened up this morning. It ran up, nice strong run up, and then we simply went into consolidation from here, 11:30 until the close. Just something to be aware of. Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com. This is our lower time frame chart that we use to enter from the higher time frame anchor chart we were talking about. Most traders want to go from a black and white, step by step. This is where you enter, this is where you exit. First start out, which is good and mechanical. And however, as you gradually improve your skills and you learn how to become more dynamic and flowing with the market, you will know when that market is telling you to kind of jump in with it and go with the flow. A strong uptrending motion, which is what we're going to see today. The market gapped up by over 15 points, and with that we were expecting nothing but waiting for pullbacks to get into a long position and pretty much be done by the middle no trade zone. And so we'll go ahead and see that here. The market opened up this morning at 9:30 at 1252.50, and there was really no other trades. It looks like the market started to take off to the upside. We did have a pullback. There was a consumer sentiment report due out at 9:55 Eastern Standard Time. And so we were waiting for that, pretty much sitting on the sidelines. Shortly after the 9:55, consumer sentiment was better prior, but within consensus range. So it was really a non-market moving event, even though we had bullish expectations today. So we had an opportunity to get long right here. First target was hit, got stopped out for -2 ticks, only to see hitting our target 1 and target 2. So you've got to take the, according to the trading plan, the black and white method. However, some of the other traders in the room really stayed on, because if you'll look in the previous projection that I was talking about, there was a nice run there for a range of anywhere between 4 and 8 points. If you were in the Shark Den, you would have seen that and would have kind of listened to my commentary. I slid the trade screen over so we could watch the trade. Again, we were only looking for positions or opportunities to get long. Here, another opportunity to get long here. From a conservative perspective, target 1, target 2 were hit for a total of 7 ticks. And that was it for the day, because by that time, if you had already gotten out, this is the hourly range high. It did work its way up higher until we got to the no trade zone. So from 11:30 to 1:15, no trade zone. This is Veterans Day. And with that being said, there's going to be little or no volume in the afternoon. Everything's going to be choppy, but we're not taking any trades. Simply too much chop going on. We're not expecting any type of further motion until about 3:30 in the afternoon, so we took no trades. And we did notice pullbacks to our moving average. Nice, clean. But all in all, we did not get our breakout to the upside. We did not get our breakdown to the downside, so the day finished up pretty flat, which is pretty much expected. I mean, we wanted to see it push up to 1272. It didn't happen. As a result, we ended the day with a total of 2 trades with a total of 5 ticks. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you, have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the Shark Den on Monday morning.